Today we're going to be going over our seat selection. So this is going to be good for boats that do tours or any speedboats or anything like that you need seats reserved on. So when people go to book, you're going to see this view seating chart button right here. If they click on that, that's just letting them know where on the boat they can book. So up here at the front we have the red area, which is the front. They can also reserve the back, which is green. And then if they don't want to reserve any of that, they can just do general, which is all the blue. So let's say 2 people want to reserve the front of the boat for August 1st. We're going to click get available times. As you can see, the 9 o'clock one is going to be cheaper than the rest. That's just showing that you guys can do an early bird special or anything like that. Once they click on it, then it's going to let them select their seat. As you can see right here, the ones that are grayed out that says not available means that they are already booked. So from here, you're just going to click on the ones that they want to book for. It won't let you continue until both of the seats have been chosen. You can also change seats as well. So if you wanted to change from the back to up here, then you can do so. After you check out, it's going to be the exact same booking process. And after people book, their receipt is going to look like this. And as you can see, it's going to have their seat assignments right here, letting them know what seats they have. Now if we go into the back end, you can see up here where it says seats. This lets you know what is still available and what has been booked. That way, if you're taking any over-the-phone reservations, you can tell people what seats are open and what seats are unavailable. If you guys need to change seats for someone, what you're going to do is go into their reservation. You're going to click on seats. And then in here, it's going to let you know what seats are open and what seats have been booked. So all you're going to do is click on the seat and then click on the seat you want to move it to and hit confirm. So it's very easy to change seats, and then all you're going to do is hit save reservation, and then you're not going to add it to the shopping cart.